Oof, you're also missing a lug nut, bud. And might not be enough room. Picking up a Chevy Suburban. How we doing? Oh, it could always be worse though, right?
Yeah.
So, you know why it won't start? You have a guess?
Got a dead fuel pump.
Gotcha, okay.
Yeah, more is.
Gotcha, okay.
But, yeah.
Okie doke. Do you need transportation?
No, I got a car.
Okay. Okie doke, seems simple enough. We'll get her loaded up real quickly. We gotta grab some pictures. Oh, it's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous day. I don't want to break my new phone mount. Got a new case so my phone can't get fucked up.
Something like that? I don't know. No, thank you.
Oof. I mean, there was this kid I did yesterday with a new BMW, college kid, blowout on the left-hand side, didn't know how to handle it on 88, right into a guardrail. Oh, I gotta turn my PTO on. How long is this? Right there. Over to this side. Now you're aware you got some pretty decent rod on your front subframe over here, right? Yes. You cool with steering it for me? Are you cool with steering it for me?
Yeah.
Awesome. So almost center completely. You can throw her in park for me. Does your e-brake work?
No.
Okay. Oof, you're also missing a lug nut, bud. Yeah, I feel that. I got lucky with my last car. $500 and a tattoo for a Nissan Versa out of Pennsylvania.
This thing's been out of state numerous times. It's got almost 300,000 miles on it.
Damn, my first car was a Toyota Camry with just approaching 420,000 miles. But New York State has a thing about cars that have a 4-inch hole in the subframe.
Yeah, 4 years ago, I paid $1,000 for it.
Oh, I can't beat that. Got 4 years out of it?
And I bought it, like I said, when I bought it, it only had 120,000 miles on it.
So yeah, you ran this baby through.
Oh, yeah. He's getting tired. This thing outlasted 2 Dodge Dakotas.
Oh, I believe it. Since I started towing Chevy Cruises, Subaru Outbacks, and Silverados, it seems like it's a pattern with those vehicles. Reattach that winch cable. Surprised that popped off. Tighten that up again. There we go. Throw this one on. We can turn that PTO off now because that shit's annoying. But I've been doing this job for a couple months now, about 4 or 5 months. Okie doke, gotta grab some pictures and we're all set. Are you gonna be meeting me there or?
Say if you want me to go first or?
It don't matter to you, I just gotta grab pictures and I'm on the way.
Alright.
Okay. So the video is for shorts for YouTube and whatnot, but also to document any type of damage that may or may not have been there before me or after me, you know. That should be good. I have enough footage, and we'll see everybody else on the drop-off. We're gonna take off and go. Thanks for watching so far, guys.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we are dropping this big old vehicle off now. Come on, there we go. Okay. Oh. My controls are inverted. So on this side I gotta push it up, that side I gotta push it down.
That's gotta be annoying as fuck.
Oh yeah. And then I let someone borrow my truck and they hit something. Bent my knobs on this side, so that's awesome. And might not be enough room. That should be good. Okay. We'll try that again. Take this strap off over here. You want to hop in and steer her off for me? I'm gonna relieve the tension on the winch. Just keep it in park.
Just started.
Holy shit, wait.
I am so fucking confused right now, you don't even know.
How low did you, were you low on fuel?
Yeah, like I said, I put 20,000 in the goddamn thing. 23,000. I don't know, but yeah. Oh, it's gonna be easier to steer this bitch up.
I'm gonna relieve the tension on it. You might slide, you might not.
Pop the other tire cable, right?
What?
The other tire cable you have?
Yep, I got it off. I'm gonna disconnect real quick and then you can roll right off. Roll it right off. You're looking good. Perfect. He's missing a lug nut on that side. You know your both front tires are missing lug nuts.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can hear it spitting its butter.
It might just be on the way out. You might just got lucky with it turning on. I just gotta check the phone. Turn that fucking PTO off. Oh, that didn't like that.
It's a pain in the ass.
Well, at least it's starting up and you're here.
Yeah. My buddy and I are gonna definitely have our work cut out for us.
All right, well, you have a good day now.
You too, thanks a lot,
No
man.
problem. And just like that, guys, there's another one done. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for the views. I was not expecting when I started this to get so many people watching my videos. The watch hours are crazy. Already got 53 subscribers in about a week of posting videos since the channel's been up, and that to me that's just crazy. So I just want to thank everybody that's watching my stuff, and a big shout out to my editor, because I don't have the time to edit my videos, so that guy's been working his ass off with all the content I've been giving him. So thank you guys, really do appreciate it. Much love.